Why do stores benefit from being direct, from sending their finance managers directly to the F&I Master Class so that they can get that in-person training? The reason that they benefit is because the training is live. It's done by me in person so that finance manager can sit and over 3 days learn real world training, value building approaches to selling their product, real world strategic closing, real word tracks and how to close a customer. And also that finance manager can ask the questions. We can role play live. He can ask questions and get that additional information that it wouldn't be accessible to if it wasn't live. So that's why a dealer will benefit from sending their people direct to the F&I Masterclass.